Python unittest / test fixture testing if module is loaded. I'm using another SO recommendation for importing simpleton, which reads as follows. However, in writing my unittest to see if one of the JSON modules has in fact been imported, I'm stuck in the circular nightmare that is my own design. /sigh. I thought something like this would have worked, however, on inspection of the unittest.failinglist or unittest.assertTrue, I have tried both, it raises the failure and the test stops, it's failing because I am causing the failure by only loading JSON instead of simpleton. My intended goal is I want my unittest to confirm that either JSON or simpleton was loaded. How might I go about this? I have thought about capturing truthiness prior to assertion, and then only pass true or false, but that doesn't feel right for unittesting only because I thought that this should have been part the unittest proper rather than a workaround. That's my opinion, maybe you feel differently. For example, I had thought about doing something like, Python-esque stooish code. I am new to formal unittesting, so, if something seems crazy here please let me know. Other information. In using Python 2.6, for work reasons, can't change that, Windows and Linux.
I don't think you need the try/except stuff in the test case.
Well, the question is whether you really care which particular library you have imported. When you import simpleton as JSON then you JSON symbol in sys.modules as well, and that's what really matters, right? Of course, you can then check whether the imported JSON library has all methods and properties required for your own program, but that's another issue. So, isn't the correct definition of the test just
If you want to see more, please go to unittesting.